Hi guys, here is part 2 of my unboxing, and the first unboxing was this ring, and let's take a look at the second one. Here we go guys. It's a long one, so I normally don't talk a lot, and I just like to go straight ahead to unboxing, so hope you like this kind of video, not much of a talking. So as you can see, the ribbon are the same. So here's the box. As you can tell from the length of the box, it is quite like little. I believe you would have already guessed what it is based on the size of the box. Let's unbox this together. Have you already guessed like what item it could be? Maybe we can pause a while. You can type in the comment section below, what do you think this is? What color, what design, what material? Okay, I believe you have already typed underneath. Let's unbox this together. What is it? Let me show you. Ta-da! It's a matching bracelet to my ring. This is the one. So I'm going to wear this ring with this bracelet. It is going to look so perfect together. You see this? There you go. Here's how it looks like. I have actually shortened it quite a bit. I think I removed the thin links from this bracelet, so in terms of the length, it is just going to fit my wrist perfectly. And look how beautiful they are when they're paired together. I'm actually considering getting the matching earring and the matching 10 motif necklace. Still not too sure. Is it too much? You know, am I overdoing it if I get everything from this series? Not too sure. Let me know if you have any thoughts on that, because it could be a bit over, you know, if even my earring and my necklace match. Yeah, so matchy. And the good thing about having this is that, you know, when you use the sanitizer or hand wash, or even when you're bathing, you don't even need to take it out. And in terms of like the wear and tear, I can see this lasting for a really long time, because for Van Cleef and Arpels, items made with the stones like carnelian, malachite, maybe you have got to be extra careful and baby the product. Yeah, because the stone may change color, but for pure gold, it will have less of such issue. Wear and tear, minimal. At most you can get only scratches. Yeah, so it's kind of heavy though, but that's the thing, you know, it is real quality, and it's not hollow in the middle because it's solid gold. So I'm really pleased with this. It's really beautiful, and I believe this design will last for a long time. And that's all for my unboxing guys. Let me know your thoughts, and whether if I should get the matching earring and the matching necklace. Okay, that's about it for my unboxing up till now. I think I've got 2 more Van Cleef Arpels products. They are not made of the same material though. Maybe I will do another 2 video of my other 2 Van Cleef and Arpels items. Alright, that's about it guys. See you in my next one. If you like this video, click on the like button, and remember to click subscribe so that you'll be notified each time when I do unboxing. That's about it guys. Bye Bye.